Happy New Year from Souldeliciouz Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make beef suya with our Souldeliciouz Suya Spice. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Let's get started. Place 500 grams of thinly sliced beef in a bowl. Open your Souldeliciouz Suya Spice. Then sprinkle 2 heaped tablespoons of the spice all over your beef. Drizzle some vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons of it. Then with your hands work in the spice, massaging it into the meat, making sure that it's all rubbed in. After you've seasoned the beef, you can either leave it overnight or you can leave it to one side for 1 hour. Go ahead and preheat the oven for 190 degrees or gas mark 5. Then get an oven tray, line it with foil paper, and then grease it with some vegetable oil. Place the suya beef strips neatly. You can also cook on a charcoal grill if the weather allows it, but we're going to do it in the oven. So place the beef in the oven for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, take out the beef and flip them over so that the other side can be golden. Put it back in the oven to cook for a further 10 minutes. While we're doing that, you can prepare to slice your veggies. Some cucumbers, some onions, and then some tomatoes. It's been 10 minutes. Get the suya out. Now pile them on top of each other on the chopping board and get ready to slice them. Take your time and slice them into thin strips. And because we want that Niger feel, we're going to serve our suya in a newspaper. Sprinkle some more suya spice over the cooked beef for more flavor. If you want to know how to make this delicious beef suya, go onto our website and purchase our suya spice from anywhere in the world at www.souldeliciouz.com. All details are down below on this video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching our videos. Thank you. So delicious food, food for the soul.